Just 1 month and everything changed. 1 month of volatility kind of erased everything from 2018. And that's XRP for you. Last 7 years erased with just 1 month. If that's true, and you see that happened back in 2017. That was March 2017. Once you had that big of a pop breaking through such a long range, you know what happened. Yeah? So if you hold this asset, understand there can be parabolic runs. And I mean it. Because when you are here and you understand that the macro breakout on the RSI on a monthly is here, boom, it's about to happen. But remember, capital rotates in this market. Right now, it seems meme coins are attracting some of those liquidity. So when you see dollar slowing down, boom, that's good for us. That's perfect for us. Now we watch short-term XRP chart. There's a question you need to answer. We've been performing like crazy. So a micro slowdown like this is not bad and it's healthy so that new people would jump back in, which allows the price to continue to the upside. RSI on a daily is showing you it's making this bull flag. What do you think is going to happen in December and in Jan? Welcome to the Scientific Investor family, where the normal retail guys get to be the top 10% of this world. What you're watching in front of you is the copy trade results for the month of November. Last 30 days in SI family. You just saw this. 150% ROI from 146 trades in which we won 132. So the win ratio is decent, 90% win rate by keeping the volatility as low as possible. And now we still have 8 more slots left. Are you there in the market? Do you know how to trade? Do you need help? These are the things which you need to understand. Say, for example, this asset is up 30% for the day and 70% for the week, which means majority of that run up came in last 24 hours. SI family was well aware of that. Just yesterday before the pop, SI family was informed this. Yeah, it can start accelerating quickly from here. Great. You see that. 30% run up plus just in that. Now, those who are riding, they know how to ride. They know where to look for the negative divergence on the daily, 3-day, weekly. They're going to ride that to the sky. But understand, it's not just one opportunity in the market. There's a lot of them happening. The targets, the breakouts. And this is exactly why the list in front of you, me going through the market, finding opportunities and putting in front of you, it makes a lot of sense because we are working that out practically. Now, let's jump into the market side of the equation. Yeah. You look at SHIB, that's a meme coin. Yeah, we don't like it. But if the market shows that it likes it, why would we say I don't? I mean, that's not a good attitude because the market is about to push the price to the upside. And if so, why can't we join the party? Yeah. So you have all these examples on a 3-day chart showing you when it enters the overbought region, you get to make the maximum gains. Or the perfect is the weekly. On a weekly, whenever SHIB entered the overbought territory, 70 plus in RSI, the price rallied like nuts. So say you're looking at this. Yeah. That was 10x move after that. Perfect. Now here, that was a 3x move. What's different here this time? You are breaking a macro pattern from last 2.5 years with this move. What does that mean? Yeah, what does that mean? That means a 7x minimum measured move to a maximum of 14x in measured move. You can take the conservative end. You can be like the average one. It's okay. You can take the average, the minimum. In any case, that's a decent ROI, which shows, yeah, meme coins are about to fly. And literally, the market would look at that and say, I missed that opportunity. Let me jump in there. But remember, assets like this, where your utility is sky high, institutional investors are going to jump in a week. A week from now, you'll see that. Why is XRP a little bit slow now? Yeah, it's first of the month, guys. We have the supply pouring in. Fine. That's okay. That's normal. We have seen this over and over again. Even if there is a slowdown, that's perfectly fine because we know what comes after that. Because you go back in each cycle, look at the price action. The drop in XRP seems to be a little bit volatile. Why? You have multiple factors, in which one is the first of the month. When the supply comes in, you get to see how it slows down. But once you understand the fact that you're not trading micro on this asset, you don't really care about those, do you? If you do, then yeah, you're trading, not investing. You're thinking like an investor. You're thinking about this saying, it's about to enter into price discovery here on a macro chart. Yeah, the long short of that all-time highs is close to $3.6. Agreed. But that does not change the fact that you never had a candle close on a weekly at those highs. So long wicks, it has been there. XRP is now showing in 24 hours. This weekly candle is about to close. And if it closes there, that's the highest in its history. It's easy. Take a line chart, take the entire history of XRP and plot this. The naysayers will always be there. The hypers will always be there. Both of these cases will be in the market because it makes them money. But what you need to understand is how you can do that, right? And that's why I say learn on a regular basis, execute on a regular basis. This helps you improve. In the market side of the equation, altcoin market is showing I'm going up. I don't care what you say. I'm riding higher. Now look at the monthly. November ended at 70 plus in the RSI. Wow, that's a monthly. And the RSI is 70. What does that mean? You're going to build negative divergence soon, but that negative divergence is going to pop things through the roof. So right now, whenever you have seen a break through the all-time highs, it has been a big one. Now let's see which of these assets are about to do that. While you wait for the breakout in a lot of different assets, you can put orders, you can wait for a retest. It's all based on what kind of an investor or trader you are. But then in the market, it kind of gives you equations. Say same segment. What are they doing? Have they corrected before? Are they looking to correct back down? If so, what are the levels you're interested in? Keep all of these equations in and you're like, okay, fine. There is a trend line on which we are choppy. We do this. We are choppy. We do this, right? So you are still riding that trend line on a micro, and on a macro, you're just starting the new trend. So you are in the payment segment. You're observing all of them. You're like, fine, I understand what's happening. We're trying to get overbought. We're trying to go through the real FOMO. Perfect. Now, you can look at the smart contract side of the equation. That's like Cardano. That's like Ether. And when you compare them, all that you have to look at is the weekly and monthly RSI. Monthly did not enter yet, and weekly is inside the overbought region. Historically speaking, that timing in the market is very important. They compare it with Ether. Ether's entering the overbought territory only on a 3-day and is breaking higher from a macro pattern, which means your measured move in Ether for this remains around 65%, which means if you plot that 65%, it goes all the way up and high towards $5,800. That's all-time highs, price discovery, and the weekly entering the overbought territory. So if you do recognize all of these opportunities in the market, it is in front of you. Just go through it, find it, and if you need help on that, this is the long list where XRP holders, SI, family, and everyone else gets the correct update on the correct time. If you want to join, use the link in the description below and get in so that you get these calls before the majority even know about it. And you get to ride these kind of moves with automated trades. When I buy, you buy. When I sell, you sell. It's all automated in the copy trading arena, and it may not last for a long, being honest. 3 months, 2.5 months, it's going to be over. And by that time, if you can compound this to reach that 10x, 15x, 20x mark with the lowest risk possible, yeah, that's the best way to trade, because after that, the win rate is not going to be 90%. It's going to drop to 70. It's going to drop to 60 because the market is going to start being choppy again. Right now, it's trending higher. Make sure you use it. This is that opportunity zone where you get to use everything and everything possible in the SI family. I'm watching you guys smashing that like button, and we fell shy of 500 in the most recent video, and I'm really happy we came that way, and that's coming after 2021. If we can smash that like button and see if we can cross 500 likes this video, I'd be really happy. Once we get to see 100 comments, 500 likes, I'm going to open few slots in the smaller tiers as well. So guys, thank you. Smash that like button for me. I'll meet you on the next video. Bye for now.